friends, welcome to SG Maths. Today we are going to do the exercise 1.4 of chapter number 1 number systems class 9 NCERT Maths. So let's start with exercise 1.4 question number 1. Our question number 1 is visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. So what we have to do is we have to show the number 3.765 on the number line with the help of successive magnification. Successive magnification means we have to draw multiple lines that magnificate the number we are gonna show. So let's start with the answer. The step number 1 of the question would be the given number lies between 3 and 4. Yes, the given number lies between 3 and 4 because the number is 3.765. So it lies between 3 and 4. Okay friends, now step 2 is magnify the interval between 3 and 4 and divide it into 10 equal parts. So we have to magnify the interval, means the space between 3 and 4, and create a second line and divide that into 10 equal parts like 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and so on. Now step 3 is the given number lies between 3.7 and 3.8. Yes, the number is 3.765. So it lies between 3.7 and 3.8. Our step 4 is divide the interval between 3.7 and 3.8 into 10 equal parts and magnify it. Well, the space between 3.7 and 3.8, we have to divide that into 10 equal parts into the third line and magnify it. Means we have to divide it into a third line. Now we'll get numbers like 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74 and so on. Now our step 5 is the given number lies between 3.76 and 3.77. Well, we know that our number is 3.765. So it is obvious that the number lies between 3.76 and 3.77. Now again we have to magnify the interval between 3.76 and 3.77 and divide that into 10 equal parts. The numbers would be 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764 and 3.765. The number we were waiting for. So 7 is we have to mark the number 3.675 as the fifth division in this magnification. So we have got the answer. Now let's see how to do it practically. So step 1 is take a number line from 1 to 10, then mark the numbers 3 and 4 because the number 3.765 is between 3 and 4. Now step 2 is divide the space between 3 and 4 into 10 equal pieces, which would be equal to 3 to 4. Now we know that 3.765 comes between 3.7 and 3.8. So mark that too. In the step 3, what we will do is we will increase the space between 3.7 and 3.8, which would be like this to 3.7, 3.7, 3.72 to 3.79, 3.8. Now we know that 3.765 is between 3.76 and 3.77. Now divide this space again into 10 new intervals. That would be like this: 3.76, 3.761 to 3.769, 3.77. Now we got the answer that we were waiting for. The number 3.765 lies on the number line. So mark this and you've got the answer. Now let's move on to another question. So our question number 2 is visualize 4.26 a bar over it on the number line up to 4 decimal places. So what we have to do is we have to visualize 4.26. A bar over it means that it is repeating. 26 is repeating on the number line up to 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places mean the decimal places should be equal to the number 4. So that means the number would be 4.2626. So let's start with the step 1. So we are starting the solution. Step 1 is on the number line the given number 4.26 above it lies between 4 and 5. And as we know, for 4 decimal places, number is 4.2626. Now, the step 2 is magnify the interval between 4 and 5. When we have taken the number line, as we know that the number lies between 4 and 5, then we have to magnify the interval between 4 and 5 and divide it into 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts. Okay. The step 3 is the given number 4.2626 lies between 4.2 and 4.3. As we know, the number 4.2626 lies between 4.2 and 4.3. So we have got to mark the 4.2 and 4.3 number. In the next step, which is 4, we have to magnify the interval between 4.2 and 4.3 and divide that into 10 equal parts. Now, our step 5 is the given number falls between 4.26 and 4.27. The number is 4.2626. So we know that the number falls between 4.26 and 4.27. Now our step 6 is magnify the interval between 4.26 and 4.27 and divide it into 10 equal parts. Total 10 equal parts. Now the step 7 is the given number again lies between 4.262 and 4.263. And the step 8 is magnify that interval between 4.262 and 4.263 again into 10 equal parts. It would be like this: 4.2621, 4.2622. Now a step 9 is the given number, which is 4.2626, would be the sixth division of the given interval. So we have completed this question also. Now let's see how to do it practically. So step 1 is, first we have to take a number line from 1 to 10 and mark 4 to 5 because we know the number is between 4 and 5. Now our step 2 is we have to divide the interval between 4 and 5 into 10 equal parts, which would be 4, 4.1, 4.2 and so on. So let's recognize the number. What is it? 4.2626. So it should be between 4.2 and 4.3. Mark that 2 again. Now we again have to divide this interval into 10 equal parts. 4.2, 4.21, 4.22 and so on. Now what is the number? 4.2626. So it would come in between 4.26 and 4.27. Okay. Now again we have to divide this interval space between 10 equal parts. The numbers formed would be like this: 4.26, 4.261, 4.262 and so on. Now again recognize the number that we have been given, 4.2626. So the number would be between 4.262 and number 4.263. Mark that too. Again divide this interval space between 10 equal parts. Now the numbers formed would be of 4 decimal places, which is we will get the answer in this number line also. Now the numbers would be 4.262, 4.2621, 4.2622 and so on. Now the sixth division of this magnification is where our number lies. And so we have got the answer. So we have completed the exercise 1.4 in some time. Now I will give you more videos in some more time. Till then, bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe my videos.